So I hope you have understood the different parts of demonstration what we have discussed related to this particular practical. See, in case of the content analysis study shows, or in case of the UV visible spectrophotometer analysis shows, or even the resolution parameter, resolution demonstration what has been shown, it is majority of things are very much common for all solid unit dosage form or solid dosage form which are intended to take orally. For example, for tablet and capsule, a similar kind of resolution profile and analysis, UV visible spectrophotometric analysis study used to perform. But the major difference is the process of resolutions and the selected parameters which have to be selected during the resolution study. For example, resolution medium, rotation speed of the machine, wavelength to which the drug can be analyzed. All these parameters can going to be changed, but process will be almost same. So let's go and see the result of this study. As far as result point of view, we have as we have told that we have prepared the standard calibration curve. So the result of r squared value or correlation coefficient value is 0.9994. That's what we have obtained, and the linear equation that what we have obtained has been shown in the screen. After getting the absorbance value, after getting the drug content value, we have put all those numerical data what we have obtained and find out the calculations and determine the percentage amount of drug release from two different brand of amoxicillin capsule. What we have found that brand A shows 96.45% drug of release within 1 hour, and brand B shows 95.25% of drug release within 1 hour. So based on the obtained data, what we can conclude, it may be concluded that both the brand of amoxicillin capsule shows identical amount of drug release after 1 hour of dissolution study. No major changes has been found or observed in the release profile of the drug. Hence, it may be stated that the performance of the both the brand were found satisfactory and as per the level claimed. So, outcome of this practical, as far as student learning is concerned, student may able to learn from this particular practical about the dissolution study of amoxicillin capsule dosage form, means how to perform the dissolution study, that will be learned by the student. They will also able to learn about the way to compare the different parameters obtained after getting the result, and they can also able to learn about the drug content analysis and how to perform the standard calibration curve and all. And at the same time, finally they will able to learn how to interpret the data, analyze the data, and shows the meaningful representation to fulfill the need of the practical. So these are the things what the study or the practical outcome can give to the students. I hope this practical sessions has been understood by you, and we'll go for the next practical sessions for further analysis. And if any kind of doubt you have found, you can just put the queries and questions too. Thank you.